Hey, what's up? Welcome back. I'm the Zim. This is the Zim video. And today we're going to do an unboxing of a Sketchbox and also create. This video is going to be an unboxing and create. And before we get started on that, just to explain a little bit what's going on. I ordered this. It's not a sponsored video or anything. I ordered it, but if you like this video and you want to see me do more of them, feel free to use my referral code. It'll be in the description below, and maybe on the screen too, of Sketchbox, and you can get your own. And every 3 people that sign up, I get a free box so I can keep making these videos. That would be pretty awesome. So if you want to sign up for Sketchbox, use my code and I'll get a free box for every 3 of you that sign up and use it. There's 2 levels of boxes. There's this is the premium. I decided to get the premium box, and there's a basic box. They do have, like, on the box, they have art created by people, I guess, using their box supplies. You tag them on Instagram or something and they'll use your art possibly for one of the boxes. Have this sketch or a pad of paper, Strathmore 100-pound paper, that I'll use for any drawing utensils that I get out of here as a test. Alright, I guess that's it. Let's just open this and then see what's inside of it. Packing material in it. Get that out of the way. Let's see, first off, they have Sketchbox videos using contents of this box. Oh, they have the Sketchbox featured artist. So they have a featured artist inside the box as well as on top of the box, I guess. It's a different person. Featured artist. Create more, do better. Mike Moreno is the featured artist. And then what's inside the box is the May Sketchbox Premium. But anyways, the first thing I pulled out is a Triograph pencil. See what it says here about it. Koh-i-Noor. Retail price is $2.55. They say it's a staff favorite. These large pencils feature a high quality artist grade graphic lead. They provide a silky smooth laydown of graphic perfect for sketching your letters. So I guess they're like, maybe the inspiration of this box is the lettering. Let's make a mark with this pencil. It looks like, you know, it's like a triangle shape. I guess you have to sharpen it with a knife. Oh yeah, it's not bad. It's kind of a. It's not super soft. It's actually kind of a harder graphite. The lines are not super thick and dark. They're pretty light lines. So that's cool. Next thing I want to pull out here, brushables. It says this is a Take Zig brushables set, blues. Okay, so I think what they're trying to do is inspire us. This lettering and color scheme is what they're kind of trying to inspire us to make, and the tools used to make it. This set includes 4 two-tone dual-tip artist markers with a unique feature. Each marker has 1 tip loaded with pigment from the Zig memory system range. The other has 50% tint of the same color. These markers utilize permanent, light-fast, and acid-free water-based pigments. They're great for adding depth, like in Mike Moreno's featured artist piece. Okay, I get it. Makes sense. Let's open it and see. I'll just do one of the colors. See this kind of. Oh, I see. So on this end is the 100%, and this is the 50% tint of the same color. Ooh, nice. Oh, wow. That's cool. I'm gonna have fun with that. I like those. We'll see how I do with them. Alright, next one pulling out is, it says brush writer. There's a couple on here like this. Critique. Brush writer, light gray. Which one is it? White, gray. I guess this is gray. This pen is great for adding shadows to create a 3D effect with your lettering creations this month. Probably needs to be kind of loaded in. It has this. It says push. Let's see. Maybe I should read the instructions. The instructions are in a language I can't understand. So I imagine you just kind of push it out to get the. Well, maybe this requires some of the. Well, this is about using the contents, but I'm not sure how to get this color to come out yet. Well, I'll have to come back to this one. Maybe I'll look it up online how to get the color out. So anyways, not clear on how to get that one started. So we'll come back to that one. And then, oh, next one out of the box is another color brush. This time, essentially the same kind. Contains water-based ink that is blendable. Color brush. This is Sketchbox Signature. This one is one of Sketchbox Signature Color Brush Green. Retail price $7. Oh, the other one was $8. You asked for more colors and we listened. This is a new color addition to our line of water-based blendable real bristle tip color brushes. I'm going to have to learn how to get these started. It's got a really very brushy tip. It's got the ink inside of it. And how to get it going is the question. You just push massively hard, or are you supposed to break a seal somehow? I'm going to have to look up how to get these started because it's not clear. Not clear how to get these brushes started. Alright, I've never used them before, so that's probably part of the problem. Cartoonist brush pen, another Cure Take. Probably been pronouncing it wrong the whole time. Cure Take. This one is white. This unique brush pen contains white pigment ink that's perfect for adding highlights, lens flares, and other unique elements to really make your letters pop. Another one of these, so I'm not even going to try it yet. Twist, close, twist, open. So that's to open it, but not to start it necessarily. Oh, this one has English. Okay, twist off pen nib. Take off yellow ring and retwist. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So this, so this is you take the ring off. Okay, and then when you twist it back down, it'll break the seal. Ah, there I see it. Now I see it already. So now the ink's coming out. Slightly the wrong place though too. Oh, I see it filling the. Okay, there it goes. Gotta give it. You gotta get it time to get in, to soak in. Okay. I see it now. Cool. Well, let's go back to these other ones, shall we? The white one. So, going back to the first one I opened, you take off the top, take the ring off, now I know, and then you tighten it down and it breaks the seal, and then press to put the ink in there. Yep, there it goes. Oop, too hard. Press too hard. Don't press too hard. It'll drip out like I just did there. Light gray. Well, I guess the light gray is actually working, but maybe I just got to be very gentle with it. It's got to be gentle with that one. Interesting. Light gray. Let's go back to this one. Do the same thing. This one has a fairly large brush head. Taking a while to fill up the hole. I might not be patient enough for this type of art supply. It is now fully inked. Well, there's that one. Green. There's one last pen in the box. This one is called the Karen Brush Marker Pro. Skin colored. Number 1, it says. Retail price $2.05, and this is also a staff favorite. This marker is equipped with a Japanese super durable and flexible nylon brush tip. They contain non-toxic paints with an intense dye-based color. And this one is like, it's like more of like a marker versus a brush compared to what the other. It's definitely not a full brush, but it has that soft marker tip, pointed tip. It has like a peachy color to it. But yeah, so there's that, the last one in the box. And then a sticker. There is a sticker in the box as well. Alright, so there we go. That's the box. Now let's make something, shall we? Alright, so I did it. What I decided to make was one of my name tag things that I make. It's just white paper with 2-ply, 3-ply, or 2-ply of like cardstock type paper. The brand I use is Daler Rowney cardstock. I don't know what weight it is. Doesn't say on here what weight it is. But I just laminated it together to make these name tags. And just a little review of the art supplies and how I ended up using them. So I had a vision for what I wanted to make, and I started it once and it wasn't coming out like I wanted it to. So I had to reevaluate, because basically these brush pens don't do well with large areas to cover because they leave lines, and I wasn't into the line, like how it was leaving lines. So I had to reevaluate my strategy, and what I came up with was on the name tag just to do smaller like circles, to fill them with color, and use the gray pen as a shadow technique like they did on the example they gave us. With the shadows. So I kind of used the gray for the shadows, and then I used the white on the dark colored circles to make like some idea of like a shiny sphere kind of idea, and then I used the gray again on the light colored circles to denote the shiny sphere. I'm okay with it. My technique, so I do a lot of these, and since I didn't have a good color to just kind of cover the background, and the grade, like they didn't do well with like gradient. Like I tried to figure out if I could make it more of a gradient, but it was such a hard line. It didn't like there wasn't a light enough color for me to feel good about it just being a gradient into white, which is kind of what I tend to do. A lot of times I'll go into white, but anyways, I did not use the green one or the peach one at all for this project, but I used most of the rest of it. I used two of the different blue colors, and the white and the gray. So I did a pretty good job of using a lot of the box, and I added and I used the pencil to sketch it out, and then I used 0.45 Pigma Micron 05 0.45 millimeter line. Anyways, because I decided just to do my technique of drawing lines with this. But yeah, and then I cut it out with the X-Acto knife. So that's my project. Hopefully you liked it. If you want to see me make more of these videos, like I said at the beginning, feel free to use my referral code or my code in the description. You get a discount on the box, and I get a free box if 3 of you decide to use my code, so I can continue making them. I have 2 more coming that I paid for. Again, this is not a paid promoted review or anything. It's just I just bought them because I wanted to check it out and make some art and see what it was like. But yeah, interesting. I'll have to learn more about how to use these types of art making tools, but this is what I came up with this time. The reason I did this is because I wanted to make, it's basically a little birthday card for my daughter. Her name is Jaden, and I wrote her name, and yeah, it's a birthday card. Alright, so anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you dig on it, and yeah, until next time, be excellent to each other. Peace.